Here are some privacy control settings that'll be very useful to your OnePlus 12 or the 12R phone, okay? Let's go ahead and get started. To find these settings, use the quick panel access. You'll tap on the settings icon toggle right here, and that's gonna take you to this section here. You'll now wanna go down to where it says the security and privacy, and tapping that will take you here, okay? Just go ahead and go down now a little bit until you see privacy right here. Now here, go down some more until you see the controls. So this switch for the camera gives you access to all the apps that you have camera access, and the same with the microphone. With these two options, you can have a quick toggle available. If it's not in any one of these here, you'll tap on these three dots and you'll see the edit tiles, tap on that, and you'll look to the bottom for the option here. You'll see the camera access and the microphone access, which is those two same. So you can press on the plus, that's gonna add it in for you, and it's up to you to make that decision. You also got the show clipboard access. So if your clipboard is not showing up on your Gboard, you notice items or like copied text, images, or whatever, they're not showing up for some odd reason, even though you enabled it in the Gboard, keyboard, clipboard, you might wanna come here and turn that on. And finally, show passwords. So usually when you are typing in a password on any app, it will briefly display that letter or number you just typed and then fade away, right? You don't want that to happen, especially if someone's right next to you watching every letter and number you type in. So you might want to turn that off. So if you turn it off, it means that it's not going to show the characters as you're typing it. But when you turn it on as you're typing it, it's gonna show. And it's up to you to make this decision here. And of course, you can go into the location access here, turn that on, go down the list for this Google items here. If it's draining your battery, whatnot, you can turn those off to save yourself some battery life. Like it's up.